Hello poultry enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of White Plymouth Rock Roosters, a classic and iconic chicken breed known for its timeless charm and versatile qualities. These remarkable birds have unique characteristics and requirements for successful rearing, but before we delve into this exciting journey, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of poultry. White Plymouth Rock Roosters are a breed with a rich history. Developed in the United States in the mid-19th century, they are a variety of the Plymouth Rock breed, cherished for their distinctive appearance and versatile qualities. These roosters are known for their friendly temperament and their significance in breeding and flock management. White Plymouth Rock roosters are typically adorned in pure white feathers, giving them a clean and elegant appearance. They have a moderately sized single comb and wattles. These roosters are known for their medium to large size and robust build, which contributes to their overall hardiness. To successfully raise and care for the White Plymouth Rock roosters, it's important to provide them with the right growing conditions. They thrive in spacious coop with good ventilation. Adequate space and cleanliness are essential to prevent health issues. White Plymouth Rock roosters are adaptable to various climates, but they should be protected from extreme cold or heat. Providing access to clean, fresh water and a balanced diet is crucial to support their overall well-being. White Plymouth Rock roosters generally have a calm and friendly disposition, making them compatible with other chicken breeds and poultry species. They are known for their docile nature and often serve as peacemakers in the flock. These roosters serve various purposes in backyard flocks. White Plymouth Rock roosters are valued for their genetic contributions to breeding programs. Their calm demeanor and adaptability also makes them ideal for family flocks, where they can play a protective role. In conclusion, White Plymouth Rock roosters are a timeless and versatile addition to any poultry enthusiast flock. Their history, distinctive appearance, and friendly nature make them a beloved choice among chicken keepers. If you found this exploration as captivating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of poultry on our channel.